So with our Shift series, we have pewter, which is this color, which is electroless nickel plated. And then we have our Flora color series, which includes maple, vine, and petunia. So maple's like a reddish brownish, vine is actually a powder coated lime green, and petunia is like a magenta pink sort of color. So that's our Flora series. Then the 33 standard grip is our atmospheres. So we have Daybreak, which is this one, like a light blue. And then we have Nightfall, which is a sort of mid blue. And then we have Midnight, which is a very deep blue, almost black. And we also have, in every grip size, we have stainless steel and brass. And then in our 38, this is our Stones series. So this is Flint, which is it's almost a bronze-ish, slightly brown gray, dark brown gray. Then we have Meteorite, which is a greenish, which is inspired by Moldavite, which is a type of meteor. And then we have Cobalt, which is a bluish, and Limestone. And all of those ones are this matte finish. And then with our original grip, this is black. That's our metals series, and black. So we have copper, brass, and silver. And just to be clear, the copper and the brass and the silver, none of those are actually made out of the metals that they're... in other words, copper is not made out of copper. It's made out of, they're all aluminum anodized in the color of the metal. And like I said, all of those come in also stainless steel and brass. And the thing you will notice is that stainless is much heavier than aluminum, and then brass is even heavier than stainless. So because we have 4 different grip sizes, and then 3 different metals, we technically have 12 different weight configurations too. So that ranges from the standard size, which is when assembled, it's 115 grams, all the way to a brass 38 millimeter, which when it's assembled is 370 grams. And then as you go through the different variations, it's incrementally growing. So for example, the brass 27 is 205 grams. And so all of this is listed on the website. And so there really is a lot of different choices that you can make depending on what, whether you want a weighted grip or a lightweight grip. And so the benefits to having a lightweight grip are obvious. You have a light machine. The benefit of having a heavier grip, which is not so obvious, with a lightweight grip, you're depending on your hand to hold a steady line, for example. Whereas with a heavier grip, the heavier grip is helping to support your hand and hold it steady. So it's a lot easier to hold steady lines with a heavier grip. Also, having the heavier grip, you're doing less pushing. So with aluminum, you're basically pushing into the skin with your needle. Whereas with the stainless or brass, you're more or less holding the machine and just guiding the machine around rather than pushing into the skin. So the weight of the machine is doing most of the work for you.